Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to keep and use logs that help you track and retrieve data you need for your vehicles and equipment. Did it get an oil change? Does it need an oil change? How many hours or miles were put on it last week? How much did we pay in tolls? Is maintenance required? All these questions and more are answered with our equipment and vehicle logs. And our equipment time card feature allows you to track how many hours a piece of equipment was actually used on a job site. This leads to better job cost estimating and can lead to avoiding lost revenue. Vehicle logs help you track actual miles per project, per employee, per vehicle. Additionally, our vehicle and equipment logs help ensure you never again miss another policy renewal, tag renewal, inspection, or insurance renewal. Start a free trial now and see how Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to keep and use logs that help you track and retrieve data you need for your vehicles and equipment.